Remove 3/4 of a human liver and within 8 weeks the organ grows back to its exact original size. This has been confirmed in living donor transplant surgeries since 1994, and medicine still cannot explain what triggers it. No other solid organ in the human body can regenerate, and the liver does it reliably enough that surgeons bet lives on it. Researchers identified hepatocyte growth factor in the late 1980s as a key signal in the process, but experiments that block it entirely still result in full regeneration, meaning medicine named a participant, not the cause. The actual trigger that tells quiescent liver cells to begin dividing has never been isolated in 50 years of dedicated study. What makes this stranger is that fetal livers and adult livers regenerate using completely different mechanisms, so there isn't even one system to study, there are two unrelated ones. If that gap between what medicine does and what medicine understands bothers you as much as it does us, subscribe, we cover exactly this every week.